Hello YouTube. So on this project I'm going to be painting on this glass. I actually saw someone do this type of project, but I thought it would be perfect for like a gift, as just to give to someone at work. So I'm going to you're going to need 2 picture frames, different sizes, and I have an 8x10 one and a 5x7 one, and they both came from the Dollar Tree. I also have these wooden words, letters. I don't really know if I'm going to use them right now, but I'm leaning towards it. I also have a cup of water for the paint. I have paint, and I have some Mod Podge for this project for the glitter. So I have a picture that I printed out, and I'm going to use, I'm just going to use the woman. I really like it. But I also have some glue sticks and some glitter. So I'm going to see which one I like. This clear tray right here is from Dollar Tree as well, but I've had this a long time. I don't really use it. I'm just going to test out the glue sticks to see how I like them, and if I like them, and if I will be using them. So the first thing that I did was took the plastic off of the 5x7 frame, and I'm going to open it up and take everything out of it. So, and like I said, I will be using the glass of the 5x7 frame, picture frame. And hopefully you can see what I'm going to do with this. So I'm going to put the picture frame and everything to the side, because I'm not really using this picture frame and stuff. I'm using my nails, so I won't get fingerprints all over it. But I am going to need a flat surface, so I'm going to go ahead and move the 8x10 picture frame to the side. And then I'm going to align the picture. I'm only going to be using the lady's face. I'm not going to be using the words or anything. I saw this on Google, and I really like this artwork, so I decided to use this. And I'm going to put the lady coming from the corner of the top of the 5x7, because I am going to add a few words. So all of the clear space that you see around, I'm going to add words. So the first thing that I want to do is to see if I like the colors of the hot glue sticks. So I did do the glue gun just to see what it would look like, and it's really light. I can see through it. So what I'm going to do first is use the paint, and then try to uplift the coloring of the glitter. So I'm going to first start off with the hair. Okay, I just noticed that I wasn't recording this whole time, but what happened was I didn't like the paint. It was too flat for me. So what I ended up doing was using the glue gun, the hot glue, the glitter glue, and this is how the glass looks without without anything behind it. But once you put something dark behind it, you can really see it, and it's really pretty. So far I like it. So I did the hair like this so it can be textured and it won't be so, everything won't be all together. But I'm going to add her name on here. It's not like you all know who she is anyway. So I'm going to take some of the wooden letters and I'm going to paint these, and then I'm going to add her name and then add a few stickers to the glass, and then I'm going to put all of the pieces together. So I know I'm touching the glass, it's gonna have fingerprints on it, but I'm going to clean it off before I do anything else to it. So here goes. Change my mind again. I'm gonna do the no, I think I should do the glitter. And she really likes gold, so I'm gonna do the gold glitter. And that's what I'm deciding, that I'm gonna put the Mod Podge and the gold glitter on here, because on the letters, because she really likes really likes sparkly things, and everything that I'm doing is in like silver and gold. And yeah, so I'm gonna take some Mod Podge and mix it with the glitter. And this is not sparkling the way I want it to, so I'm going to pick the letters up, put them on the plate. I'm going to put Mod Podge all over them, and then I'm going to sprinkle some glitter on them. while that dries, I'm going to go to the next step. And like I said, this is going to go into an 8x10. And but I'm going to put some stickers. And I have a happy planner, so I usually use these in my planner, but I'm going to use a few of them on here. And I know she likes diamonds, and I also know that she loves wine. She likes wine and just different things, so I'm going to put them on here. And her name means praiseworthy. I looked it up online to see what her name means. I'm going to see if this metallic marker would show up on here, and it is silver. I don't want everything to be gold and all that stuff, so I'm going to use a silver one. I'm going to try to write it as neat as possible and make it look like something. I'm really liking how this is turning out. It's really nice. So after the letters dry, I'm going to put her name at the top. The top up here is going to say Tanya. Like I said, I'm going to put a few more stickers on here, just to that, you know, just stuff she likes. So I'll show you the final result.